Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Jed Albring and I'm going to give you a ClickFunnels landing page tutorial. I'm going to show you how to set up your landing page, what to do with your landing page, what to say on your landing page so that you can get more people in the door to your online business, offline business. Doesn't matter what you do. I'm going to give you a brief tutorial here. Also, stick around to the end. I've got some bonuses for you guys on how you can get started for free with ClickFunnels, as well as get a bunch of free funnels and training. Okay, so if you're new to ClickFunnels, this is your dashboard. Pretty straightforward. All you're going to do is go to the ClickFunnels icon here, and you're simply going to go to Build Funnel. Now, it's going to prompt us to take a couple different options here. Okay. Sorry, my internet is a little slow, but it's going to tell us, like, are we selling a product? Are we hosting a webinar? And the main point is here is as you get more familiar with building funnels, you're going to know if you're going for the product funnel or a webinar funnel, but most of the time we're collecting emails and we can always add steps as needed. But typically, right, we're starting with collecting emails first. I'm just going to call this test 1 so I can delete it after. And it's going to automatically populate my landing page and my thank you page. All right, so I have, E, maybe I did a different one already. Okay. You know what I think I did? I think I started and I stopped and started again. Oh, well. So same thing. So it populates my opt-in and my thank you. Now, if you have pre-done landing pages, they're going to populate here. So you can build landing pages and save them. Like these are ones I did for clients. But what's really cool, if you scroll down, so these are all mine up here that I've built already. But when you scroll down, so for you, if you're brand new, you're not going to see all this up here. You're probably going to start with this guy and girl right here. Now, these are all landing page examples. I recommend starting with one that kind of catches your eye. Really, I like to keep it very, very simple, depending on what I'm trying to do. Let's say I'm trying to do, say, a lead magnet or something like that. Let's go with this one here. All I have to do is hit Select Template, and it's going to load this landing page right into my funnel. Okay, don't worry about this stuff here. It's going to create the first step in my funnel. So now what I would do is go to Edit Page, and it's going to edit my landing page for me. So all I need to do is change my stuff. Like if I want to get rid of this rocket here, maybe I don't want that. It's not a free masterclass. Maybe I'm doing like free, let's see, free coaching ebook. I don't know. Let's do this. Maybe I'm a life coach, right? My wife would laugh at that. Right, and then I can change this here, right? Get my proven, actually, get my top 10 life coaching So, I try to, you always try to create a little curiosity. I kind of did that off the cup, like, oh, I wonder what those hacks are. I'm a life coach. I'd like to know. And if I want to change that, right, I want to make that a little bit smaller, I can do that. And then you have a subheadline, which would be, creating even more curiosity or maybe even urgency, like, act now, act now. I am only giving away to the first 100 students or whatever it is. Now, the thing is, if you do make a claim like that, be real with it and do give away 100, and then you can change it and do another offer. But if you're going to create the urgency, make sure it's legit. Nothing worse than seeing the, I only have 5 left when they don't. So you can do the scarcity and urgency, which is great because when you do a landing page, you want to make them act. So you want to create here on the headline is where you want to create a hook. something to get them to click. Like, what is it? What's weird? What's crazy? What I want to click on that thing, right? It works. So another great tool, I won't get into it, but is Funnel Scripts by ClickFunnels, where it helps you build your headlines. It is a great tool. I will put a link below. I hope I don't forget. But that's really the main thing. So the main thing is to have a headline with a hook, have a sub headline, create some urgency, create some scarcity. You can also use the sub headline to kind of re-talk about this. Like, these top coaching hacks have helped me grow my business from 5 clients to 30 clients in the last 6 months. Something along those lines. Okay, and then boom, click here to get yours. So what this is going to do, it's going to populate for me. It's going to populate for me either a pop-up, right? So in this case, it is a pop-up. If I don't want the pop-up, I don't have to use it. I can go to Elements, okay, and simply drag and put my opt-in here, okay? But I like the pop-up. So my pop-up is another great place for me to create more urgency. This could be where, so let's go back. This could be where this here, so this is, you don't even have to have this, right? So you can get rid of this altogether. And this could be your hook. Wow, I got to get this. And then when they click on here, this is kind of cool. You could put the scarcity and urgency here. Like, hey, make sure you get yours today because I'm only doing this for the next 2 days. I only have 100 left. I only have this. I only have that. So there's a couple different ways you can create the urgency and the scarcity. But that's really the main thing. And the main thing with the landing page, guys, is keep it simple. If you've ever heard that phrase, keep it simple, stupid, right? Because you want to talk to people like they're in the 5th grade. You want to keep as less as possible, right? Less is more. Also, another thing is you want everything to be above the fold. So when you look at this, everything is above this bottom line. This is the fold. So you don't want to see the headline up here and then have to scroll down and opt in down here. So keep it just one page like that. Have your footer with all your disclaimers, especially if you're an affiliate or you're doing anything, or if you're running ads off of Facebook, you do have to put a disclaimer down here because Facebook will not take your landing page. So keep that in mind, that you do have any kind of disclaimers you need. You need your privacy form. All that stuff has to be down here, but it doesn't have to be fancy. As long as it's listed, you're good to go, okay? So let's save this and preview this. And that's it. And then the main thing is obviously make sure you deliver what you give to them. And that could be sent to them via email. On the next page, which is the thank you page, it could be a download. But again, to reiterate, guys, when you're building a landing page, a hook for your headline, right? A bright, big call to action. Tell them exactly what it is. So I might change this and say, get your hacks here. Get your top 10 hacks here. And then up here, make sure you create scarcity and urgency. And another call to action. So this button is going to be like, click here to get it. And then the next button is going to be, yes, I want it, right? So you want to lead them down the steps, okay? And keep it simple, all right? I hope that helps. My bonuses, that's right. So if you're new to ClickFunnels, guys, and you want to start building landing pages, you can have access to hundreds of free templates. I will put a link below. And if you end up signing up for ClickFunnels, guys, you're going to get an email from me personally, and I'm going to send you my free ClickFunnels training. So it is basically a get started guide to ClickFunnels, a link to my private Facebook group where I go live and teach you how to do this stuff for free. And I'm also going to send you some free funnels that are pre-populated, ready to rock and roll. You can use them, you can share them, you can even change them around and sell them. You can do whatever you want with them. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and share.